Welcome to Ripcaster. We're a Linn dealer based between Reading and Oxford in the UK, and this is a quick unboxing video of the new Linn Majik DSM. Okay, so here's the new box, standard Linn box it arrives in, and it's Majik DSM/4 to indicate the new version released in September 2020. Let's have a look what's inside. So, standard layout, accessory box. Look what we're getting here. Mains cord, I guess UK for here. Safety information and the infrared remote control. Just have a quick look. And a set of batteries for the remote control, and it's the new format remote with the black finish and the pins around the outside. So, and then inside packaging to make it good in transit. So here we have the unit outside of the packaging. I'll just give it a quick 360. Okay, so if we start with what you see, so you've got a 1/4" headphone socket, you've got various pins which can be set as presets, so you can custom those to individual sources or playlists. You've got a volume control, rocker switch here. So around the back we've got the main switch and a grounding post, the main IEC input, HDMI outputs, various HDMI inputs, Ethernet input, connecting to your network. It's also got a wireless connection built in, USB, optical and coaxial digital inputs and outputs, I believe, on one of them, and you've got a analog input which can be configured as line or as phono stage, and you've got a line out, and then you've got the actual speaker connections where you connect your speakers. So the unit's got Wi-Fi on it, so you can connect it to your network for Wi-Fi. It's also got Bluetooth. So there we go, the one box Majik DSM, just add speakers and away you go. Great first system. Recommend you come and visit us so you can have a listen and explore the whole of the Linn range. Thanks for watching.